Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and remove filter in MS Excel. To see how to create a filter in Excel, we'll use this table as an example. The first thing to do if you want to use the filter function in a table is to use headers to select the columns in which you want to apply the filter. Let's select the headers branch, staff, and sex. Click on the Home tab and look for the group editing. Then find and click on the Sort and Filter option. Then select Filter option. Excel will create these drop-down arrows or buttons in the cells containing the headers of the selected columns. You can use the buttons to filter out the information you need in each column. Now it's time to take a step forward and try out the filter we've just created in practice. Let's say we want to filter out only the branch 1. Click on the drop-down arrow in the column branch. All of the options are selected by default. Unselect the options by clicking on Select All. Now tick the box next to the option which we want to filter out, let's say branch 1. Confirm with OK and you see that only the branch 1 are now displayed in the table. And to filter male staff only, click on the drop-down arrow in the column sex, then tick the M option and click OK to show male staff. To clear a filter, click the filter arrow for the column with a filter you want to clear. Select Clear Filter from column name. You can also click the filter button on the editing group to toggle the filter off. The filter is removed and all the data in that column is visible again. To remove all filter button in a worksheet, go to the Home tab, look for Editing Group, select Sort and Filter, then click on Filter. This will now remove all filter button on the worksheet. This covers how to create filter in MS Excel. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.